What do I have here? Chopped up, fresh. Yes, you can do it fresh from the garden. So I have some corn, guys. I have corn on the cob. I have some zucchini. I have jalapeno peppers. Yes, I have carrots. I have some fresh herbs in here. I have some cilantro and some basil. I have garlic. I have a little bit of sea salt in here. And I have a little bit of broth. So your choice of broth, chicken broth, vegetable broth, whatever you would have. Just put it all in the pot so you can have this garden right here, right in a pot. Garden in the pot. Yes, tri-colored, all the colors in here, guys. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. You can do your cream, your half and halves, whatever that you prefer, your taste likes. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk in here, and then I'll have me this nice fresh garden. Not a salad. Should we say chowder? I don't know. Soup. I don't know what we should call it. I really don't know. All one pot meal, let's just say that. Garden pot meal. All right, so this should be yummy to enjoy for a spring day. Yes, nice and sunny on our spring day today. I love it. I do. It smells good. The garlic smells good in there. Oh, and a little bit of onion powder. Unless you're going to put your fresh onions in there, I would say do so. Yes, 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 yes. So it depends on who's eating it. My kids are eating it, so I just put a little bit of onion powder in here. But throw your onions in here. Play around. Whatever's in your garden, just throw it in a pot. I'm a one pot type girl. Alright, that's what it looks like when I topped it off with that coconut milk. I'm going to let that simmer a little bit and just kind of marinate the flavors together. Let that kind of do like a boil.